Start. The background in which the dispute arose appears to be the availability of a huge amount of funds for the Jila Panchayat from the State Finance Commission through the communication dated 27 February 2015. Stop. The Jila Panchayat had already passed resolution numbers 4 and 5 on 27 December 2014 for utilization of the grants that were proposed to be made available to the Jila Panchayat for 78 projects. Stop. Part of the grant was utilized on being approved after following the due process of tender and award of contracts. Stop. For the other projects, the tenders and contracts are stated to have been approved by the chairman, where after the advertisement was published in two local newspapers as well as other newspapers of repute inviting tenders oblique bids. Stop. Permission was sought from the competent authority through proper channel, namely the Chief Development Officer, and during this period a query was made by the respondent number 2, that is the collector, in relation to publishing of such tenders and award of contracts. Stop. Para. The petitioner urges that even before any reply could be submitted to the query, the district magistrate passed an order sitting in office on a second Saturday, that is 8/8/2015, that is officially not a working day, alleging that she had received some complaints that the funds are to be misutilized for award of such contracts which have already been executed by adopting dubious methods of splitting the amount of such contracts. Stop. She therefore imposed a restraint on the opening of the tenders through the order dated 8/8/2015 and 10/8/2015, appointing a 3-member committee to inquire into the said allegations. Stop. A 3-member committee was accordingly appointed to make a fact-finding inquiry with regard to the said process having been adopted, upon which the matter was inquired into and a report is said to have been submitted. Stop. It is in this background that the upper Mukhya Adhikari sent a letter dated 10/8/2015 stopping the entire tender process pursuant to the impugned orders of the district magistrate. Stop. A representation was filed by the chairperson alleging that this was being done on account of an alleged political rivalry and personal malice, as the chairperson had contested the election against Sri Rakesh Yadav, son of minister in the state government of Sri S.P. Yadav, and therefore, in order to impede the functioning and carrying out of the execution work of Jila Panchayat, this method was adopted and the district magistrate oblique collector surrendered her jurisdiction in favor of such persons so as to annul of the aforesaid tender process. Stop. This writ petition was filed and an interim order for holding the tenders in custody was passed by the division bench that had entertained the writ petition on 1/9/2015. Stop. The petition proceeded on the aforesaid allegations and affidavits were exchanged. Stop. When the matter appeared before us, upon hearing, learned counsel and the court were faced with the question with regard to the availability of the power with the district magistrate to proceed in the matter as indicated in our order dated 15/10/2015. Stop.